Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How yo do? So right now you see me with my red scarf, girl. Yes, get it, girl, get it. So I just woke up, brushed my teeth, did what I had to do, and now it's on to my hair. I have somewhere to be this morning, and I thought I should go ahead and just show you guys how I'm gonna do my hair when your hair is just a little old and it's just unmanageable at this point. Like you just need to, wait a minute, and you just need to like get out and go. A head wrap or scarf, however you want to call it. It is where you need to be. So let me go ahead and take out these twists and I'll be right back. All right, now you already know, get that crack in a bottle, child. And just go ahead and just spritz just so that you can put a little bit of moisture back into your hair, and to also get really the back part, you need to get that to extend all the way up to the top of your head. As you see, I'm trying to just stretch out my hair a little bit, and I'm just kind of gathering from the back and pulling it all the way to the front. Just keep on pulling it all the way to the top of your head till you can get it in a nice little pony. Now, this don't got to be perfect. Don't stress yourself out about it not being exactly perfect, because you're going to put on the scarf regardless. So it's going to cover up any imperfections. So if your hair is short in the back and you got some hair falling out in the back, that's fine. Get a few bobby pins and pin it up. If not, once you put on the scarf, ain't nobody gonna be able to tell that you got some hair falling out in the back. So boom, we got a high ass poodle puff. See, it ain't perfect, but it is what it is. I'm gonna make it work. So what am I looking for? Where you go? Where I put you at? I think I'm looking for my toothbrush so I can lay down these edges. Yep, I knew it. So you don't have to lay down your edges, because you can just have the scarf cover up your edges. But for me, my scarf usually kind of falls back a little bit, so if it does fall back, I just want my edges to be just a little cleaned up. Once again, I don't like my hair, it don't got to be perfect. My edges don't have to be laid down all perfectly, but as long as they're laid and they're looking, half decent, I'm good to fucking go. So let's go ahead and just lay down them edges real quick. Alright, since our edges are nice and laid, we're going to go ahead and get our scarf. It's a big ass scarf. I'm trying to show you. Look how big the scarf is. So you do not need all this material. So what you want to do is fold it. And I'm just showing you different ways on how not to fold it, because you don't need that much space, and you're going to see in a minute what I'm talking about. So I'm just, seeing my spacing, just trying to figure out how far down I need to fold my scarf down. So that's how far I have it now. We're going to go ahead and try to get it on our head. Just adjusting, fixing some things. Now you see all that space? You don't need all that space. So I need to continue to fold down just a little bit more, because that space is unnecessary. You want not as much space as that right there, but you want just a little bit, because you're going to tie it and you don't want no hair coming out, but you also don't need all that extra space, because then to me it looks a little sloppy, and I like mine to be just a little bit neater. So we're going to go ahead and fold down a little bit more and see if that's going to work, and still way too much space. So yet again, let's try. And that's the thing with scarves. Try until you get it right. Like, you don't have to rush it. You don't have to be exactly perfect, but you want it to look nice. You know what I mean? Like, see, look, not enough space. So you need to just have it folded. Like if you have a big old scarf like this, fold it down to where you just have a little bit of space. So when you tie it at the top, that you're not seeing your hair and that the whole red part covers your bun. So I made another part that was maybe an inch. Look, see, that is perfect. That's all the space that you need. So when you tie on your scarf, you're good to go. See, you see how it's just right on the forehead. It's not all the way down to your nose, to your mouth. It's just doing too much. Okay. So me, I don't like it when it ties my ears down, so I kind of fold it above my ears. And then what I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to make sure that my scarf, when I'm looking down at it, because you're going to twist it up, you want the two little strings that are hanging to kind of match up as evenly as possible. And then what you're going to go ahead and do is just go ahead and do a little knot right here in the front at the tip top. And then tight. I make mine as tight as I can handle, just so that my scarf isn't moving too much throughout the day. And see, this is perfect. And what you're going to do is just kind of just loosen it up a little bit, because if not, you will get a headache. Trust, I've been there before. And then what you're going to do is just going to twist your scarf all the way down. And then once you get closer to the bottom, you don't have to really twist it. You can kind of just twist the entire twist together. And you'll see me do that in a minute. Yep. And then all you do is just take your twist and wrap it around your bun. Make it nice and tight. That's how I like it. And you see how I'm twisting it at the end. And then you're just going to twist and tuck. So you see there, tuck it in there so it don't move and it's in place. And then right now you're just gonna just move it around and make it work the way you want it to work, how you want it to pop. Just kind of, you see how I'm saying my edges over here is out a little bit. That's normal. It's okay. I'm cool with it. I lay my edges down. It's fine. And I kind of like that look on my edges out a little bit. And then boom, there you have it, baby. And there you have it. That is my simple, quick scarf look. I'm ready to go and leave the house and just be as cute as I want to be. Thanks again for watching and clicking on this video. Don't forget to comment down below, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.